So this is the mount I've been using in my car. It's the IOTI, it's like the 4th generation mount. It's a great mount. It has the ability to telescope out. This lower section could come out further. I have it all the way in. You can adjust the angle, all that stuff. It's great. It's a great universal mount. You put your phone in like so, tilt it back, and it snaps in place. It's great. Only problem is this is an S9. It's a big phone. It's a heavy phone. And even at the shortest distance here, this is still pretty wobbly. The main issue is that the suction cup, if you can tell, that the suction cup has flex. So especially on a hot day like this, where it's 95 degrees out today, there's just play in this. So you're driving down the road and it's bouncy and it's wobbly and it's annoying. It's also, as you can see, kind of a big thing that takes up the corner of the windshield. So what I've been working on, what I'll show you guys, I'll just remove this, get this out of the way, is a replacement mount. So what I have is this. This was 3D printed, took a couple models, I just quickly roughly sanded it. And what it is it's got 3 prongs at the bottom, and it slots into the air vent here. You can see it still leaves some of the vents, two of the vents on this side open. A much lower profile, low mount. I angled it, you know, I made it just big enough to fit, and it's designed basically to fit this case specifically, and the phone just slides right in, and it's a much more stable mount. It doesn't really shake around as much when you move it. You drive down the road, it's great. So nice little alternative mount. It's low profile, doesn't really move, the cable still plugs in. Yeah, so that's the solution to the suction cup thing.